Why do so many of us try to manage and mask pain only from the palm of our hands? The WHO recommends safer alternatives like physical therapy to manage pain. Physical therapists treat pain through movement, hands-on care, newest technologies, and patient education to recover function and hopefully prevent recurrences. And by increasing physical activity, you can also reduce your risk of other chronic diseases. Pain is personal, but treating pain takes teamwork. When it comes to your health, you have a choice. Choose more movement and better lifestyle. Choose physical therapy.